Welcome back, Pre-K. This week in math, we're going to be talking about different shapes. The first shape we're going to look at is this shape. Do you know what shape this is? Let's see. How many sides does this shape have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me the name? If you said triangle, you're correct. A triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Now I'm going to hold up some pictures and let's see. Is this a triangle? Let's see. Does it have 3 straight sides? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Does it have 3 corners? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Is my game piece a triangle? It sure is. Now let's look at this picture. The sail on this boat. Is it a triangle? Let's count the straight sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3. Is this a triangle? It sure is. Now I have a song to teach you about triangles. Would you like to learn it? Here it goes. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Up the mountain, down and back. A triangle has 3 sides. Now let's look at the next shape. What shape is this? How many sides does it have? Do you see any sides? It has no sides. Now let's look. How many corners does it have? It doesn't have any corners. Let's see. This looks like it's round. What shape could it be? If you said circle, you are correct. A circle is round and it has no sides, straight sides, and no corners. So let's look at some pictures, some things that I have here. I have one of my son's hockey pucks. Is this a circle? Let's see. Does it have any sides? No. Does it have any corners? No. Is it round? It sure is. So this is a circle. Now I have one of my son's cymbals from his drum set. Does it have any straight sides? No. Does it have any corners? No. Is it round? It sure is. So is this a circle? It is. His cymbal is a circle. Now I have a song to sing about a circle. A circle's like a wheel, a circle's like a wheel. Round and round it never stops. A circle's like a wheel. And here's our last shape for this week. Do you know what shape this is? How many sides does this shape have? It doesn't have any, does it? Let's see, how many corners does this shape have? It doesn't have any corners either. So, is this shape a circle? Is it round like a circle? No, it's not. It is longer than a circle. Do you know what shape this is? If you said oval, you're right. This shape is an oval. Now let's see. I have a basket here. Now the outside of my basket, let's see. Is it an oval? Does it have any straight sides? No. Does it have any corners? No. Is it round like a circle? No, it's longer. So is this an oval? It sure is. And then I have a number to show you. The number 0. Is this an oval? Let's see. Does it have any straight sides? No. Does it have any corners? No, it doesn't. Is it round like a circle? No, it's not. It's long. So this is an oval. A 0 is an oval. So let's sing a song about an oval. Are you ready? An oval has no sides. An oval has no sides. It looks like a 0. An oval has no sides. So this week, I would like for you to go on a hunt around your house and see if you can find different triangles, different circles, and different ovals. And have your mom or dad take a picture of you with your different shapes and send those pictures to your teachers so we can see how you went on a scavenger hunt for shapes this week. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.